Hi, this is Rachel. Now I'm here to do my database lab 7th experiment. So this experiment is all about PLSQL programming. Now this is using triggers and cursors. The first question is create a simple trigger that does not allow insert, update and delete operations. The query for the values not to get inserted is create trigger name before insert on supplier 1 for each row. Declare variable 1 number of size 4 begin if colon new dot s underscore id is double equal to s1 and colon new dot s underscore name is equal to triple a, then dbms underscore output dot put underscore line of this cannot be inserted, rollback, and if and this is for not the values not to get inserted, and for delete and update the same query is used with the delete keyword and update keyword replacing the insert keyword. So this is the output for the values not to get inserted, and this is for delete and update. Second question is create a trigger to ensure that does not contain duplicate. Create trigger, the query uses create trigger name after insert on supplier 1 for each row. Declare variable well number of size 4. Begin if exists, select star from table suppliers. Inner join inserted I on I dot s underscore id is double equal to supplier 1 dot s underscore id and I dot s underscore date is equal to supplier 1 dot s underscore date. Begin rollback. Raise error duplicate data 16.1 and if the query is ended. So this is the output and this is the suppliers table that is displayed. The third question is create a trigger that raises an user-defined error message and does not allow updating the order table. So the query uses create trigger name before update on supplier 1 for each row. Declare variable 1 number of size 4 begin if new dot order underscore id is less than 110, then declare dummy initial int. Select error you cannot update into dummy from order 1 where order underscore id is equal to new dot id and if end. So the output is this one. Then the fourth question is write a PLSQL script to display the supplier details who has rating greater than 3. So the create query uses create procedure p1 number default 1 as v underscore count of number begin select count star of into v underscore count from supplier 1 where p underscore id is greater than 3 and if p1 underscore 308 is null then dbms underscore output dot put underscore line of s1 is p underscore id. For name it is s underscore name. For gender it is gender and s date is date and PID is PID, else select count star of into V underscore count from supplier 1 where P underscore ID is greater than 3 and if end. So the output of this query is this. These are the 8 rows from the procedure supplier table and this is the query for output for this is the output. Now the fifth question is write a PLSQL script to display the product names whose order quantity is greater than 10 using cursors. So the query used is create procedure p2 underscore cs308 of p2 cs3 underscore 308 number default underscore 1 as v1 underscore count number begin select count of star into v1 underscore count from order quantity where order underscore quantity is greater than 10. If p1 underscore cs308 is null then dbms underscore output dot put underscore line of product id is product id else count star of select count of star into v1 underscore count from order quantity where order underscore quantity is greater than 10 and if end. So this is the output. And the sixth question is create a trigger to update the order table whenever the customer ID is updated in the customer table. So the query uses create trigger T1 underscore CS308 after update on customer 1 for each row. Begin if condition is new dot customer underscore ID is not equal to old dot customer underscore ID, then update order 1 O select O dot customer underscore ID is equal to colon new dot customer underscore ID, where O dot underscore ID is equal to colon new dot ID and if n. This is the output. The seventh question is create a PL/SQL block to display an implicit cursor for any two of the given table. So query is used as declare table underscore rows number of 2, begin update order on order quantity, select order underscore quantity is equal to order underscore quantity plus 5. If SQL is not found, then Dbms underscore output dot put underscore line of no order selected. Else if SQL percentage found, then total underscore rows is equal to SQL percentage or row count. Dbms underscore output dot put underscore line of total rows end if n. Then declare total underscore rows number of 2, begin update product 1, select product underscore ID is equal to product underscore ID plus 5. If SQL is not found, then the output should be no product selected, and if SQL is found, then the total rows is equal to SQL percentage row count, then the output should be total rows and if n. So this is the output of the above question. The eighth question is write a PL/SQL block to display an explicit cursor for any of the two given table. So this is declare customer underscore ID customer 1 customer dot customer underscore ID percentage type customer underscore name customer 1 dot customer underscore name percentage type customer underscore address customer 1 dot customer underscore address percentage type cursor C underscore customer 1 is select customer underscore ID customer name customer address from customer 1 table. Begin open C underscore customer 1 loop fetch C underscore customer 1 into customer underscore ID, customer name and customer address. Exit when C underscore customer 1 is not found, then the output should be customer ID value, customer ID and customer name and customer address values. So end loop close C underscore customer 1 end. So this is the output when the values are found.